What's up, guys? X11 here. I'm back. We're gonna take my grandpa's new Ford Ranger. It's a 94, but it's been rebuilt, so it's like almost brand new. It's mint. Great bed liner. Let's see. Not that key. There we go. Great interior, as you can see. Nice seat covers and whatnot. Got the seat back as far as it goes, obviously. Oh, little bitty truck. Oh man. Zoom way back just to see how small it is. Put that up so I can see. Oh goodness. I could not drive this truck. There's no way. Look, there's my knee and the shifter. Steering wheel hitting my leg and I'm hitting the shifter. Yeah, 6'5" and a 4-foot truck. There we go. Push the clutch all the way in. Fars right up. Put her on high heat. Alright. Well, let's take her for a little spinny poo. LOL. Alright, let's see where we're going here. I'm probably going to drive off the road. Alright, I'm going to get on the road real quick. We're on the road now. No one behind me. That's good. So, yeah, this is going to be a pain in the butt. There we go. I can steer, film, and shift at the same time. So yeah, she drives pretty good. Radio still works. Got a good old tape player in her. Watch is going off. This thing's like a go-kart almost. You gotta give it a lot of gas just to make it up these hills. Come on, baby. I really don't want to downshift. Looks like I'm gonna have to. It's a big hill right here. Come on, you can make it. You can make it. There we go. Now we got a nice big hill. Use the engine to slow us down. Brakes work really good. That house is on a hill. Oh goodness. Look at that hill. Yeah, buddy. So now we're chooching up this big old hill here. Probably gonna have to downshift. We're losing power. Oh, we're making it. Nice. We made it. Okay. So I'm gonna get out of here real quick. I'll film once I start going. Alright, we're running pretty good. About 35 on some mountain roads. Coming around Dead Man's Curve. That's what we call it, because the guy died here on a motorcycle. There's a cat. So yeah. Lost a lot of power up that big hill. Now we're chooching, by God. I'm going to be doing some update videos on the big white truck pretty soon here. We got to put a new bolt in the, what's it called, the freaking radiator export fluid mount on the front of the engine block. Bolt broke off and it's stuck in the block, but there's a part where threads are sticking out, so you can almost get a pair of pliers on it pretty good, but I don't want to ruin my chances of getting it off, you know. So I'm gonna be working on that here pretty soon. It snowed in Crossville, but we're in Knoxville right now. So figured I'd take this truck for a ride and make a little video about it. Going down some nice curves and hills. So yeah, I'll film a little once I start heading back towards the house. Alright, we are now home. Seatbelt. Put her up in first. That way it won't roll away and set the e-brake. Now, if only I could get out of here. Oh my gosh. So yeah, as you can see, good interior. Drives like a charm. Yeah. I wouldn't drive it though. Way too small. But hey, sure rides and drives good. That's all that counts. It rides and drives. So yeah. That's my grandpa's car. Thanks for watching. I know it's not that great of a video, but it's something, you know. Got to keep the channel alive. So yeah. See y'all in the next one.